coach, paano ba mag-start ng running? Simple lang, umpisan mo lang. The first step is the hardest step. Mag-alarm ka, 5 o'clock AM in the morning or 5:30. Then start walking, slow jog, then running. 25 or 30 minutes is a progress. For sure, 6 AM, tapos ka na. Best way then is meron kang app, ginagamit ko is Strava, to monitor your gains. Kinabukasan, gawin mo ulit kung paano mo siya ginawa kahapon. Then mapapansin mo, bumilis ka ng 2 seconds or 1 second. That is already small wins. Then, enjoy the process. Enjoy the journey. Gawin mo siya ng 7 days, 2 weeks, 1 month, hanggang sa hindi mo namamalayan, andun ka na pala sa goal mo. Hanggang sa rest day mo, hinahanap na siya ng katawan mo, gusto mo nang tumakbo, kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng alarm. Yung katawan mo na mismo, yung kusang gumigising para sa'yo. Hanggang di mo na namamalayan, nabimiss mo na yung running. Kasi mahal mo na pala siya. Mahal mo na yung run. Yun lang. Happy Independence Day. Malaya tayong lahat. Just learn to celebrate every small wins. Oh, morning. Until you have a big one.